welcome to the channel. Let's assume you want to perform certain calculation for a specific item. In my case, I want to perform the average price for all items that are in a class number 3. The function that we are going to use is the AverageIF equal AverageIF. It takes three criteria. The first is the range of the condition. Then the condition in my case is 3. Then what you want to calculate in my case is the unit price. The result is the average price for all items that are class 3. This is how we use the AverageIF function. This is Tech Skills channel.